All right, hey, I'm gonna show you guys a little bit. You got that stink and that nasty smell from the spring to the summer. It smells like maybe a cat visited your car. Well, that's bacteria. That is odor, stuff living inside your air conditioning system, humidity, moisture, all that mold, mildew, all that kind of crap. And then I'm gonna show you a product that can do that. This is really key to getting rid of the stink. It's a start. Some vehicles, this one's older, does not have a cabin air filter. I recommend when you do this, to get rid of the cabin air filter. It's a little box similar to the one that's on your engine that will filter the air out. Okay, so we're gonna open this thing up. We're gonna pop it. Got the AC going on full. Cleaned out here, going through. Hit the button. All right, now. This thing's gonna go through there for a while, circulate, okay? And the air conditioning system's gonna pull this material through. This stuff kills off all that mold and mildew, and that's the stink that you're gonna get. You don't have to live with that stinky smell. Now, if it doesn't work, there may be another problem, more severe, like probably water leaking in, because it can come from also your heater core. Maybe in the winter you were using it and it starts to leak. And of course, if it's coming from that, anything you do with this won't improve that. But as a professional, it can get looked at and you can find out what's going on. So there's one option. This is one option. And then there's a service that we can do, and we use an ozone machine, and we run your car similarly, running it with an ozone machine inside, and it goes through for up to 2 hours, killing all of this odor and bacteria in the car. So if you have that cigarette stink smell, if you got, baby's first incident in there, you bought a used car and it stinks, you got that when you turn it on, you don't have to live with that stink. So I hope this helps. If you have any questions, give us a call or comment below.